guys, today I will talk about a car wash snow foam lens. Now, its review. Canon for high pressure washers who want to achieve a professional quality car wash at home. In this video, we are reviewing the car wash snow foam lens from Canon. Must-have accessory for anyone who wants a cleaner, shinier vehicle with less effort. This foam cannon creates a thick layer of rich snow foam that helps loosen dirt, dust, mud, and road grime for washing. By covering your vehicle with dense foam, it reduces the risk of scratches during hand washing and makes the cleaning process faster and more effective. Main key features of the product are: it produces thick, rich snow foam for deep cleaning, adjustable foam concentration and spray pattern, durable leak-resistant disc construction, easy to connect and simple to use. Uh, there are other key features that we can say they're compatible with View, Hammer, Karcher, Karcher, and Makita, and other compatible high pressure washers. Ideal for cars, motorcycles, stoves, trucks, bicycles, boats, and even outdoor furniture. In this AliExpress, with it is being sold with a 4.9 star rating, 1,100 plus customer reviews, and 5,000 plus units sold. This home cannon has become a favorite among car enthusiasts and detailers. So, why choose a foam cannon? Because it saves time during washing, helps lift dirt before contact washing, creates a thick foam blanket for better cleaning performance, uses less effort while achieving professional looking results, perfect for regular vehicle maintenance, and many others. Whether you are a weekend car enthusiast or simply want to keep your vehicle looking at its best, this snow foam lens is a great addition to your car and carry it. Car care kit. So, if you enjoyed this review, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more reviews of the best car accessories, detailing tools, home gadgets, and smart finds from AliExpress. Thanks for watching and happy detailing.